Hey, long time no see. Listen, okay, I feel like it's Evelyn here if you're new, by the way. Sorry. I feel like I have done this same video more times than I care to over the past couple of years. And so again, I'm not going to go through, well, I am. So let's talk about where I've been. Oh my gosh. So it's the end of 2018 and we're going into 2019. And I kind of left you guys on a cliffhanger, which was in 2016, diagnosed with cancer. Yeah, and so about that. So I'll probably do a separate video about this later, but I've been getting my life together. I mean, if you follow me on Facebook and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm okay. I mean, I haven't officially gotten the free and clear on paper, but y'all, I'm physically doing fantastic. Okay. So let's just get that out of the way. What I have been doing though is taking some time to recuperate from the emotional and financial toll that being diagnosed with cancer had on my life. And so I am back. I am excited. I am committed. I have gone through a lot of changes, which, like I said, I'll get into that later. I have gone through some career changes. I have gone through some relationship changes. I have gone through some life changes and moving changes and physical changes. Your girl lost a little weight. You may not be able to see it, but you know, I'm still, listen, if you want me to start sharing about, you know, diet and exercise and all that that's changed, I can do that. But I wanted to come back. I missed you very much. I missed this channel. I missed this platform. And over the years, so much has changed. And over the years, I haven't been consistent. And over the years, y'all have rocked with me so hard. And I appreciate it. And I'm ready to come back. I'm excited. As you can see, I'm in a different surrounding. I'm in my office. I'm ready to come back, and I was gonna do like this whole formal, like, let me tell you what's gonna happen on the channel. Let me tell you, you know, let me walk you through step by step what I've done. But what I've decided to do instead is just to get back to doing organic videos like this one, where I just want to come on, I want to chat with you guys, I want to talk. Like, it don't have to be super serious, you know. I want to get back to doing videos about business. I want to get back to doing vlogs. I want to get back to doing maybe a little makeup, maybe a little hair, right? Like these 2-strand kinky twists I did myself, right? You know, your girl's just a little beat, you know, on today, if you can peep that, right? Maybe looking a little tired, maybe sound a little tired. That's okay. Your girl's been working. And so, and then I got a couple of new life changes coming up. Like, I want to restart my series, Find Your Flavor, right? I want to get back to the vlogs. I want to get back to what you guys want to talk about. And there's some new stuff I want to bring, and I'll do all of that in a separate video. But I wanted to pop back on and just say, hey, I missed you. And hopefully you're glad to see me back. Turn on the notifications. I'm a new woman. And so, you know, the woman that was random and inconsistent and would pop on and pop off, she don't live here no more. She's gone. We had to evict her. We loved her. We had to evict her because she was not helping where we are trying to go. And so, and I'm gonna talk about all that too. All of that. Like, why do I be getting fake accents? Like I'm from somewhere other than Missouri and then live most of my adult life in the South. Like, I don't know. But I'm ready to come back. I have seen the landscape change on YouTube drastically. I'm loving some of it. I'm not loving some of it. Maybe we'll chat about that. I am going to bring a lot of my food content to this channel just because it's easier for me to manage, and I want to keep my other channel strictly for like the stuff that I do for chefs. But we'll get into all the channel changes and all that kind of stuff. I've been going for a while, but I think what you will see from this video forward is a new and improved Evelyn, right? Like, new and improved, back and better, just excited to be back, calmer. Like, I think I went through this phase where I felt like, oh, I don't have the lighting, or oh, I don't have the microphone or the camera, and so I can't come back, and I can't come back in the same fashion that I used to. But listen, cutting on a camera and just talking to y'all and letting it rip, that works for us, right? Like, what was that video I did like 2 years ago where I was talking about corporate America? Girl, that video was like an hour long and people loved it. So we're just gonna do what it do. We're gonna have a good time. I haven't done vlogging in forever. I'm so excited. I need to get a new vlog camera. So if any of you guys have any vlog camera recommendations for Black Friday, please leave them in the comments below, because it's probably when I'm going to be getting a vlog camera. I have a big DSLR that I'm recording this video on right now, and your girl is not about to be carrying it around out here in these streets, in these Texas streets, okay? So lots to talk about. I may even be talking about some stuff on this channel that I've never talked about before, like being single and being in your 30s and not having children, and what that looks like, because there's a lot of us who are single, never married, in our 30s with no children, and there's just some interesting life things to talk about there. I definitely want to talk about business, y'all know. I want to talk about corporate life, y'all know. Want to talk about entrepreneurship, y'all know, but I also want to talk about like self-care and just living your best life. I'm not a singer, so excuse me for that. And listen, this is just tiredness. I'm not sick. It's just your girl's a little tired, but I figured I'd put on a little face, you feel me, and come and pop and do a video and just say, what's up? How you doing? How you been? Did you miss me? I missed you. Okay. Oh, okay. That was my homage to Evelyn from the internets, right? I love her, by the way, and I'm just loving what she's doing with her life, because she's living her best life. So tell me what you want to talk about in the comments below, okay? I got a lot of content coming your way. Listen, y'all know I live in the deep. You know I'm a little special. You know I'm a little extra. So we're going to talk about all of that. And I'm excited, y'all. Hey, hey, hey. All right. I know that was unnecessary as well. Listen, I'm hyped. I'm back. It's going to be fantastic. We'll decide whether or not I'm going to change the channel name again. Possibly. But once I change it, like, yo, that's going to be it. Because y'all going to be like, who is this Emma feed? Make sure you turn on your notifications. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome, okay? And subscribe, you know? Listen, I'm excited. And if you're not following me on Instagram or Facebook at Chef Evelyn, you definitely want to do that. And yeah, I think that's all I got. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.